Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. First of all, wishing you all a very happy new year. May peace, love and prosperity follow you always. This is a compilation video of the artwork that I created in 2021, starting with this 3D mural painting of Lord Buddha which I created on MDF board. Then I upcycle an old clock into a sea theme clock. Another creation is this beautiful romantic couple statue which I made for Valentine's Day as a gift for your loved ones. Then I made this antique bottle art featuring a woman face wearing tiara. Then I created this tropical theme wall hanging of Flamingo in Love. It is a 3-tier clay mural. Then there is a sculpture of unicorn sitting on the cloud which I made by homemade porcelain clay. This creation is really close to my heart, and this is Indian folk style key holder featuring Rajasthani couple. Then I created this peaceful Lord Shiva clay mural as Adi Yogi. And then comes Festival of Holi. So I thought to make something colorful, so I created this plate art. Then there is this dreamy moon dream catcher keychain which I made using some stones and seashells. Then comes this daisy jute rope bottle art which is also a bottle lamp. For the occasion of Mother's Day, I created this mother-daughter sculpture where mother giving her heart to her daughter. Then comes this mixed media journal cover featuring a dragonfly at the center. Another recycled project from plastic bottle is this wooden log planter. Then after this, I created this Chinese boat incense stick holder which is also a multi-purpose stand for putting jewelry and watch. Then comes this face flower pot which I made out of cardboard. Another cute project is this berry basket bottle art containing different miniature fruits in the basket. Then I created this 3D texture painting of couple in the beach. Next up we have this Loki crown tesseract lamp which I made by recycling plastic jar. I really love how it turned out. Next up is this my favorite creation which is a Father's Day gift, which is also a pen holder and trimmer holder. Next up in the list is this fairy world inspired teapot planter which is a result of recycling a paint container using cement and homemade ceramic clay and using some stones. Next up is this cute kitchen decor which I made by recycling old non-stick pan. Another creation in the list is this beautiful bottle art featuring a dancing Rajasthani puppet. Next up in the list is this useful home decor item which is a tissue paper holder. Next up I want to create something for my garden, so I use plastic bottle to create this tribal mask. Another creation that I love most is this beautiful Jharoka art which I made out of cardboard. Next creation is this cute angel wings inspired photo frame that I made using cardboard and homemade cold porcelain clay. Then I created these cute butterflies using DVDs and thick wire for my garden. Next up, I created this beautiful Durga Ma 3D clay mural using MDF board and homemade ceramic clay. I really love how this project turned out. And then comes Festival of Light, and for that I created this beautiful Kalash Diya holder by recycling old earthen pot or handi and diyas. Next up we have this beautiful Buddha candle and diya holder which I made out of cylindrical cardboard box. Next up for Christmas, I created this beautiful melting candle lamp, which is a two-way candle lamp. You can also put lights inside it and a bulb on top of it. Another creation for Christmas is this beautiful gnome Christmas light decor, which I made using LED lights on cardboard and a plastic jar. And then in the list we have this cute hippo couple multi-purpose stand, which can be used in multiple ways. Next up, I created this fantasy tree bottle art using some decorative stones and homemade cold porcelain clay. Second last in the list is this cute cockatoo wall mural, which I made recycling cardboard and used wall putty dough. This is a perfect wall decor for garden and balcony. And at last I made this peaceful backflow waterfall incense burner or smoke fountain, which I made out of plastic jar. I hope you guys like this video and all of the craft ideas that I created this year. I hope you guys stay connected with me and support me, and we will together make more such interesting and creative craft in 2022 as well. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Happy New Year everyone.